on, my YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back. I'm the wood guy, that long-haired guy, and that sun hat guy, that everything guy. Just changing up the pace. Never know what you guys are going to see here. You never know what I'm going to surprise you guys with. But we are out here today, my friends, heading to the sawmill. We already went there twice now. Out here loading up again with another load in these beautiful ash saw logs where I've been cutting off of my property here. Property's about 30 acres and all the ash is currently dying. The young little ones are still trying to hang on, but all the older mature dead ash is just gone. It's all said and done with. So I got a Pepsi here and we've got Big Bob on the job, of course, and the white 7.3 with the dump trailer out here roadside. Luckily, where I live, it's a very, very quiet, dead road. So this makes things easy for working where I'm at and loading up these saw logs into the dump trailer and getting these things to the sawmill. So you guys have seen, I've got the pile right here stacked along roadside, and we're just grabbing Big Bob and trucking him on over to the dump trailer and loading up and heading to the sawmill. Sawmill's about a half hour away, which isn't too bad, but far enough away to got to keep things moving here to maybe get all these logs there. So let's get at it. Still quite a bit of material. Beautiful load on the dump trailer. Some nice big uns. Go drop them off.